Here we have a Ford Transit 250 that when we start it up, it has a bunch of indicators on the dashboard, including blind spot system fault, cross traffic system fault, drive mode not available. Drive mode not available, that's this here, okay? And you can see there's no power here. And come to think about it, yeah, there's no power to the HVAC module. So believe it or not, the solution to this problem is actually in the back of the van. So if we come back here, you're gonna see that we've pulled off both left and right lower bumper corners. Let's get some. And inside of those bumper corners that normally go on here, you have a radar sensor. This radar sensor is what detects that vehicle in your blind spot, okay? You wanna pull that out, that radar sensor, you're gonna wanna pull it out and ensure that it's not cracked on the other side. So there's just 2 bolts there. Make sure the wire harness is secure and not corroded with dust and debris. In our situation, we've decided to replace this wire harness because on this side, the driver had bumped this bumper corner and pinched this wire harness and broke it. Even though it was tucked up underneath, if it has enough impact, it'll crush the wires that are behind that bumper corner. It's very sensitive, and a lot more should be focusing on the drivers being careful not to back up into anything. But it's not done there. So while this V shape that we've replaced, this V's off to the right bumper corner, I inspected that, it looked good. And then we follow the wire up inside. If you're going to replace this, it's quite a process. You have to take off the whole panel in the back, the molding, skirt molding, and then inside of here we have a wire harness. This is the end of it, okay? And it is difficult to get to because you have to pull off a lot of stuff just to plug in a simple wire. Not quite sure why they put it there, but that's where it's at. Once we plug this in, we now have a fresh wire because that one was damaged, and we're going to test it before we put everything back together. We're going to want to make sure that the HVAC module works and that the blind spot and collision warnings are gone off the dashboard. So let's take a look. All right, they're cleared off the dashboard, and we now have power to the HVAC module. And it looks like we have drive mode available as well. So the problem for blind spot collision assist and the HVAC module not working is typically the wire harnesses in the back of the vehicle have been damaged, or the radar sensor has been damaged. If you happen to damage this radar sensor, okay, you can replace it. You can replace this whole wire harness, but you will have to take it to a service center so they can program these radar sensors to the van. If you pop one in and don't program it to the van, the vehicle is going to give the same warning even though it has a fresh set of wiring and fresh radar sensors. The service center will have to program that radar sensor if you crack it or replace it.